Using Vim to create and edit a file. Vim includes more features to edit files, but is also more difficult to learn. Vim is only recommended for advanced users with prior experience working in the Linux shell. Step 1. Log into your server via SSH. Step 2. Navigate to the directory location you wish to create the file or edit an existing file. Step 3. Type in vim followed by the name of the file. For example, if you wish to create or edit a new file named test.html, run the following: vim space test.html. Step 4. Click the letter I on your keyboard to enter insert mode in Vim. It now shows insert on the bottom left. Step 5. Start typing into the file. Step 6. When finished editing the file, click the escape key. This takes you out of the insert mode, and insert disappears from the bottom left of your terminal. Step 7. To save the file, type in a colon followed by WQ. The characters :WQ appear at the bottom left. Step 8. Click the Enter key on your keyboard to save and exit.